Hi everybody, it's Kristina from Kristina's Krafts, and I am going to be making a project for my granddaughter. So I have this lavender Waverly chalk paint. See if we can see it there. And I am going to put this, I have a 11 by 14 canvas that I got from Dollar Tree. It's not the one with the wood, it's just a plain canvas. And I am going to paint it this lavender color. Okay, I have it all painted and it's not like solid, but I think I like it that way. So I just put that one coat on there. Now I am going to put some Mod Podge on here. I'm using my matte Mod Podge. And I'm just gonna put a coat on my board. I'm gonna lift that up. And what I'm gonna be doing is I am going to be putting some decals on here that I got at Dollar Tree. Okay, and set this off to the side, and then these are the decals that I got. And I am going to try to get this mermaid off of here. Okay, let me get this off of here. I have it off. This is kind of a large one. It's going to be kind of hard to put on here, but she is going to go right about here. I just got to make sure I get that on there good. There, that looks like pretty good placement right there. All right. And then I'm just going to try to smooth this down. Then I have another one from the pack that I'm going to put on there, or from the decal. So let me get that one off. All right, and then this one I think is going to go here. Oh, too close to the mermaid. Oof. All right, let's try that. And then push that one all down. All right, now I'm just gonna take random little stickers that, or decals that were on the pack, and just stick them around. Thought I was gonna put a border on here, but I'm pretty close to the top up here. So I don't know if that's gonna work anymore. Okay, so I have all my stickers on there, and I am putting a coat of Mod Podge over the stickers. Not the biggest fan of putting Mod Podge over any type of vinyl or decals because I think it looks streaky, but I just want to make sure that these are going to stay on here. Okay, this is still drying. I got quite a bit of Mod Podge on there. I think it's going to take a little bit, but I am going to try something I haven't done before, and we will see how this works out. I am going to take some Mod Podge, and I am going to put it on the bottom here. Okay, and then I have this sand that I got when I was on vacation, Indian Shores, and I am going to sprinkle that on my Mod Podge because I thought it would be really cool to have actual sand on the picture. So I am just going to go ahead and just sprinkle this all on the Mod Podge, and try to be careful because this is still wet up here and I don't want sand over the whole picture. I just want it at the bottom. I let it dry for a little bit. Then I'm just going to pick my sign up here and just get the extra sand off of here. And not that much stuck. So I think what I'm going to have to do is I'm going to have to kind of build it up. So let me try to put a little bit more Mod Podge on here over the sand. And I am going to stick some more on there. All right, should I try to dump some more off and see how much of it actually stuck? Oh, that's a little bit better. I guess I was just thinking it was going to be a lot thicker, but more of it did stick on there. Okay, so this is my 4th coat of Mod Podge. I'm just going very lightly over the sand, trying not to take off what I already have on there. I think this is going to be it. I think this is going to be the last layer that I put on, but it did build up a little bit. I think it's going to look good. But I'm trying to put the Mod Podge on so that I don't rip the rest of the sand off, or the sand off of there that's already on there. Okay, got that on there, and then I'm just gonna put some more sand and then let it dry and then take that sand off. Okay, that sand built up pretty nice on the bottom there. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna take and put another coat of Mod Podge on there just so that the sand stays on there. So I'm just gonna try to go really lightly and just Mod Podge over it and then let it sit and dry. Okay, I have my sand on there. It's still a little gushy yet, and I think what I'm going to do now is I have these shells that I got. These were from the same beach in Florida, and I am going to hot glue them onto my picture here. So I am going to try to get it kind of around the edges, hopefully without burning myself. And stick them just randomly in my sand here. I'm thinking it should, if you look, it's still kind of gushy, still kind of moving around, but it's probably going to just take a little bit to harden with all the layers of Mod Podge that I put in there. All right. It's really hard to put this on here. I'm so afraid that I'm going to... Oh. Okay, I guess that one's going right there. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and put some of these shells on. Okay, I have my shells all in there. I think this turned out really cute. I really think my granddaughter's gonna like it. There's just one more thing that I have to do. I have to put a hanger on it, and I got this from Dollar Tree also. I don't know, it says it's design wrap. I don't know exactly what it's for, but I'm just gonna cut off a section of this. And then I am gonna hot glue it to the back. I'm going to try to flip this around without wrecking it because that sand is still not quite hard yet. And then I am just going to hot glue this to the back. Just trying to get it as even as possible. All right, I'm gonna go ahead, I'm gonna stick a little bit more hot glue on there and hold it down. All right, it is all finished. All right, I just wanna say thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the tutorial, and hit the little bell to get notified when I upload. Oh, and also subscribe, and take care. Thanks, bye.